Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. This is the box right here up close. This is how it looks. And then this is how it looks in the back. The back basically just has the instructions. It lets you know that this product is cruelty free. 6 months after opening is how long you can use this product before you have to discard it or throw it away. And it has the recycling box, so you can recycle this box. You can find more of their products on this product link right here. Hey guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove this packaging. So all you have to do is just push it through the basically the wrapping of this box, like so it comes out just like this. How stinking cute. I love how once you remove it from its cover, like the label, the back is sleek, so it does not have like all that writing on it. I know a lot of us girls, we get our lashes done. Some of us may have had a horrible experience of getting lash extensions. Some of us wear lash strips day in, day out, and we're basically ripping off our lashes if we don't know how to apply them correctly and we're using too much glue. So this here is basically a nice little picker-upper to help you out with all those little bald spots we're getting, our lashes being thin and brittle from going to a lash artist that did not know how to apply a certain lash weight to your natural lash. This is what's gonna help you get your lashes strong and get your life back together, okay? These are for my girls who don't wear lashes as well. You are more than welcome to try on this serum and help your lashes get as thick and full as possible. How it looks, you guys. I want you to be able to see it, but it's like mirroring. So this is what it's giving. And this is the Stacy Lash Serum. So let me go ahead and twist it open and see how it's looking. This is so cute. Ooh, okay, so it's basically giving an eyeliner brush. It is a thin brush. It's giving eyeliner type of brush, like a liquid liner brush. So it does not have a scent. It's definitely fragrance free for all my girls that are sensitive to fragrance, or you just don't like too much fragrance on you. So this lash serum is also FDA approved, you guys, and it includes enriched ingredients such as peptides, biotin, panthenol, glycine max, seed extract, and other stuff. So it definitely promotes visible, longer, fuller, and healthier lashes that's going to be suitable for you. And for my girls who wear lash extensions, don't worry, the serum is not going to interfere with any of the ingredients that interfere with cyanacrylate. So you don't have to worry about your retention going back at all. It's simply just here to help you, as well as it is a gel-like consistency, so it's going to resist against smudging, and it won't thicken once the bottle has been opened, so you'll be good to go. So you want to make sure that you have no eye makeup like I do right here while you're applying your lashes just for the full effect. You also want to preferably do it before bedtime so you can let it dry within 1 to 2 minutes. That's usually when you take off your makeup. And do it every day, at least once a day, you guys, so you can be able to see the results within 3 weeks. So it kind of felt like I applied like a cold like gel to my eyes, so I'm not mad at it at all because it felt good. Okay guys, so before I go, I just want to let you know that Stacy Lash was kind enough to give me a code for all my viewers and subscribers. You guys can get 40% off with my code 40Dania Serum. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the description box below for you guys. Go ahead and get your hands on this opportunity, you guys, because it won't be here for long. So snatch up that coupon and put it in and get your amazing lash serum. There will be other links from Stacy Lash that I'll also put down in the description box if you guys want to check out any of their products and such. So don't forget, get your hands on, and don't forget to use my 40% off coupon code. And thank you so much, Stacy Lash, for sending me this amazing product. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.